Now then, I want to make an intercept tank on our rainwater system. So pipes from the rainwater pipes go to this tank here with maybe a gauze on the top, and then a little sediment area, and then an outlet. But I wanted a threaded boss, plastic threaded boss. So here we go. This is what we've got. I know it's a bit breezy. Where are we? Here we go. This is a siphon from a toilet, and if you just remove this pin here, that whole lot just drops out, just like that. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to put this one back because I've already done it on a separate one. So here we go. And this is a bit of 40mm waste pipe, that fits in there, but it gets tighter. Yeah. So where my knuckle is, so I think I can cut it off about there and then warm that up and push this through. And then what we've got is a boss with a big nut with a 40mm hole down it, which you can get a lot of water through a 40mm piece of pipe. So I'm just going to go and cut that off now and see how we get on. So I've cut that off. A little bit longer than I said. Yeah. And let's just have a look. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's good and tight, but it does come out the other end. Yeah, so I reckon that's a perfect seal there. So we've made a boss, yeah, with a piece of 40mm pipe, and a lot of water will go through that 40mm. So I'm going to put things together and I'll get back to you. So there's the rainwater pipes that come into this watershed, and there's the top of the tank, and between the wall and somewhere like that is 22 inches, and that'll look quite good. So let's go back and cut everything to length. So there we go. I put the boss on the inside so you can slide the pipe from the outside, and then that will go on there, just like that. And I think the shelf that I'll make, I'll just put a little bit of wood there just to support that. I'm going to have this removable so that, you know, once a year or something like this can come out, get cleaned out, jet washed out, etc, etc. Yeah. So here we go, it's a rainy day. Let me just try and remove this screen. And there we go. I've cleaned this screen recently. Yeah. And here's the outlet pipe. And there we go. And I don't know whether we'll be able to see, but yeah, the tank is full. And I did actually put a different outlet on that, overflow on that, which is in a more sensible position. So it's working. Yeah. So hopefully bits of heavier muck will drop down to the bottom of here and stay there, and then it's quite easy to lift this tank out and just empty it out. And then we've got this screen here for the bigger bits of leaf and what have you. We'll see how we get on. Comments, discussion, tell me your ideas and what you've done on this, on your home rainwater collection systems. Yeah, but I think this Intercept tank is an improvement, and using these readily available in skips threaded bosses, absolutely perfect. Right, it would be very interesting to see if we have a monsoon type event how this behaves. Yeah, I think it'll all do well. The overflow is the same size as this, so yeah. Anyway, there you go. Catch up with you soon. Cheers for now.